Hey, what's up guys? Max here with Dynasty Trading Systems. I normally don't do this. We just wrapped up our live stream, but we had such an awesome session. I thought it was super helpful. We took 5 trades today utilizing our framework, and we caught over 125 points between those 5 trades. And so I basically snapped all the different trades, condensed into a small little 10-minute video so you guys can actually hear the narrative. You can understand our process, what we're doing. And literally we show up to the market every day, just do the same 4 things. The first thing that we actually do is look at our daily outlook, where we pull up our gamma outlook to understand what environment we're in, what the directional lean is. We just want to understand where we know the largest net gex is and where we can expect hedging impact from the dealers. The next thing we go into is the overall price action, and we just look for a couple different scenarios and key levels. Once we're done with that, it's just a matter of allowing price then to just do what it does, right? Because what's more important than any of this is understanding what's happening in the moment, right? We always say you got to be coachable to the chart. And so if you've been watching our videos, obviously you're seeing things like Renko charts, you're seeing order flow, you're seeing different tools that we're using like gamma levels and whatnot. But this quick highlight video will just kind of show you, for the folks who are learning the process or just kind of curious, how we do this in real-time markets every single day. So rather than you having to sit through the whole entire live stream, which I recommend you do, that way you can get the full context of narrative and how we do things, we just go ahead and created a short little highlight reel here of all 5 trades before, during, and after, so that way you guys can start understanding our framework. And so if you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you do. And also, if you want to jump into the free Discord, there'll be a link in the description. So let's jump right into our five live trades that we took here, and let's get right into it. Or if we end up failing, let's see. Looks like they're going to try to drive it back up one more time here. Let's see. Watching the 150 level here. This is where we watch the book map, right? This is where you want to pay attention to the book map. Let's put the book map on real quick so we can just watch what happens as we approach the level. We're testing the VWAP. The first pullback for RTH VWAP from after the expansion here. So we're testing 125. We're now supporting 125. So let's see if they're going to be able to hold this area here, right? So right now we're dealing with this control. Sellers came back in, just smacked it back under 150s. But we've not gotten a meaningful break below the 125 level. So let's see if they're going to be able to do so. Careful here, guys. Green dot means reclaim. The reclaim right there. So just be careful with that. Taking a quick scalp here, targeting 200s. Do a quick cut if it fails. Not really liking how it rejected there at that 150. Let's see if they can get back through it. Watching. Book map. Buyers don't get stuffed here. 3 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. Looking for a drive to 200s. Can we get there? Can we get to 200s? My flip is my stop. Next flip. Watching 150s. Come on, boys. Stay above 150. Don't yank. Don't yank me. Let's see. Those are building. Let's go. Uno mas. Uno mas. Let's break that. Let's break this high. Let's break that high, guys. Vámonos. Let's go. Stop break even in case it wants to yank. Risk free, baby. Come on. There we are. Very good. There's the break going for 200s. There's 25 points. Come on now, get it done. Get it done. Get it done. I'll just take my 25 points right there, guys. I'll just see my 25 points right there. Got the 15-minute candle closing in 2 minutos. So what does that mean? Be careful. All right, let's watch now. It's not ready yet. Not ready yet. Oh, by the way, we made some updates to the liquidity levels. You notice that they were there and now they're faded because that means that they were either pulled or they were filled. So now we no longer keep them on the chart so they don't keep, stay in the way. So look at price here pulling back to this breakout level. We kind of like that. I kind of like that. Let's see if we can maybe get that rotation to the bottom here. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, they just teased. They just teased the opening range high. So there's the short. Let's see if we can actually take out this bid. Oh, look at the bid here. Watching that bid. They're playing with the bid. And we fill this bid. We're still, 150 still at support level. There's 15 points. Let's see if we can maybe get a retest here. I don't want them to drive it back up again. So right now we've got this breakout level here. This red line here, 164's 0 gamma now. So look, volume's still pretty strong here. So buyers are still in control. The flows are still bullish, but we are in positive gamma environment. So we're going to expect mean reversion, rotation. It's just a matter of waiting for the proper signal. You're not in too early. Can we get another 25 points here? Can we do it? Can we get it? I don't know. I'm just going to take that for 15 points because structurally we're still bullish. We have not invalidated the bullish price action. But now we just watch to see here at 900, 9,000s if we get that expansion lower. Obviously we can see we're trending lower. We've broken out. The big Renko right now. Big Renko showing me some bullishness. I mean, not bullishness, bearishness. We just had that first break right here on Big Boy Renko. But we are pulling back to the mid. So there's a possibility we might see some rotation here. We'll see. I'm going to try scalp long. Try scalp long here. Up already 10 points on that. 15 points. Can we get a retest of our boss level here? I don't know. They just stuffed everybody. So we'll see. Market is heavy. Negative GEX, but look, it's shrinking. It's shrinking though. Let's see. I might regret this one. We're testing opening range low. Can we push back inside? Can the buyers get in, or the sellers going to basically interfere and smack them? Will they smack them? Let it pump. Let me get a retest of all these breakout levels. Well, there's 20 points. Can I get my 25? I just need my 25, and then I can go home. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. No. A little bit more. You can do it. Come on, stop playing. We know it's a high probability that you're going to retest that New York Open, so why don't we just do it? There's my 25 points. You're in long now. I like it, but I'd be cautious here because structurally it's not for me personally. I don't know. I don't. It's a little too late for me. I gotta do it early. I gotta get in early. Careful here. I'm gonna short it right now for a scalp. Let's see if we get some continuation here. Careful here, boys. Retest of these lows. Retest of these lows. No, don't you do it. Watching. This is where, let's pull up the book map. Buyers are trying. They're stepping back in. So let's see if they're going to be able to reclaim here. Yeah, it looks like they're about to try to reclaim this level here. Let's see. Let's see. Watching. Can we get this? You know, they're not done. I think they're going to try to drive it higher one more time. Let's see. I may cut this here. Oh, new 5-minute bar. Oh, that's what it is. It's a new 5-minute bar. So be cautious here, guys. They're going to probably try to like smack this high here real quick, but I will cut quick. I'm still in it. That dot still got me in. I'm still in on that dot, bro. The red dot. There's another 10 points. I'm going, I don't know what to do. I don't like it. Let's see. Okay, I guess I like it now. Let's see if we can actually take out this 9,000 level. No, these boys are still here. Did we put on book map? I need to look at the book map. Let's take a look at the book map. Okay. Look at them. Look at them playing here at Gex 1. All right. Here we go. 25 more points. Give it to me. Yeah. Stops already break even since we went 15 points in profit, but I don't want to give it all back. I don't want to go negative because we are at an important level and they can easily swipe. They can get a buyers here playing here, trying to trap some sellers. They're trying to trap me, guys. Let's see if they can at least get down to 85s. How about I just like not be greedy and just take that profit? What do you guys think? Let's just take that profit. Cage. What time is it? It is 10:22. Okay. Yeah, let them. So look at this very nice expansion up and then beautiful meltdown. It just feels too calm. There we go. Let's see now. We got that flip here. Retesting this breakout level. We're testing that range. That breakout. Can they stay out? That's the real question. Can the breakout stay out? Oh, watch here for 950s. Watch here for 950. It might be a break back in. I'm considering a scalp here. Let's see if we get a break back in. Might regret it, but I'm going to take a scalp. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna inside I do in the community we do but I'm gonna drop some stuff on YouTube for sure because I know obviously it's kind of pointless for me to show my trading over. And again, another 15 point. Let them take that profit. I'm taking that profit, gang. So this is where everyone's losing money right now because everyone's trying to get this big continuation after this big dump. They saw this pump, they saw the dump, and they're like, well, I'm trying to get that the breakout. This is where your idea, right, is correct. But the chart, the price action, the real-time price action is going to contradict what should happen, right? Based on what we know, based on what technical analysis says. So now we got the Renko confirmation right there, but did I take that? Yeah, I guess I'll take a scalp there. I'll take that scalp. Take that scalp there on the Renko chart. We'll see. 10 points. Let's see if we get that push down now. Are these boys ready to take out that IB low? I don't know. Let's take a look at the book map. Watching that level here, 75, if they can reclaim. But I'm up right now, 10 points on this. Up. There's another 15 points. Stop's already a break even because we're in a cage. Renko looks like it wants to push down to our next flip, which is going to be priced at 923s. So there's my 25 points, 35 points. We'll go ahead and target that IB low, maybe. I'll just turn on the trail. We're actually at the IB low already. They're going to probably give us a pretty big reaction. How about I just take that profit, guys? How about I just take that profit?